Welcome back to Arch Accounting, the accounting system fully integrated with Arch Retail POS. In this session, we are going to look at reporting. Click on Reports in the main menu. As you will note, there are multiple reports available, which will be too exhaustive for the purpose of this demo. I'm just going to give a brief overview of the generic income statement analysis. This is a self-built report where you can select a lot of options. In this instance, let's stay on level 1, and I'm going to select 12 columns, which are usually the number of columns in a year. Select an option to have a total column and show percentages. If it is part of a group, you can show group consolidated. I'm going to click 0, so it will show all accounts with 0 balances in the report as well. Select the end dates of the report. Or to complete the dates, at the bottom you can also select between actual and budget. And when you're done with all your selection options, you can click Generate Report. This will generate a report as requested or required per the ticked options, and you will note the sales at the top. It will show a gross profit of 24%. It will show the expenses below, and the expenses per month will show as a percentage. There's not a lot of information here as it is demo data, but I think you get the idea of the information available. Detailed training on this report and other reports will be provided during training. This concludes the session on reports. Thank you for watching the demo videos of Arch Accounting.